is amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this too. Yeah. I'm just drinking this right now. I just make it. It's on my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking. It is parsley with ginger and lime. Beautiful recipe, which I would encourage you to try this at home to detoxing the body. All right, now let's go back. One medium-sized pot, and we're going to put some hot water. Just like that. Right, that's the hot water. So, beautiful recipe, but I'm going to tell you, it is one of those recipes which many people don't know. If you're struggling to sleep at night, then I will recommend this to you to drink. All right, I will recommend this to you to drink if you cannot sleep good at night. Yeah, man. Stop loud. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Big up on yourself, people. All right, what we're gonna do, I'm just cutting up the banana. This is a little bit too much. Alright. This is a banana. Put the banana inside. We're using one medium-sized banana. Make sure you wash the banana. Very good. Alright. That's the banana right there. So if you are struggling to sleep at night, this is for you. I got one more recipe that I'd love to share with you, but not this evening. All right, yeah, man. If you are struggling to sleep, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some cinnamon and put roughly about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Yeah. Cinnamon is very, very good. It will help you to make a dose off very quickly. So, many people still taking sleeping pill up to this very day, but we still encourage you guys not to take sleeping pill. Okay? Yeah. There's no need for you to take sleeping pill. There's a lot of natural remedy that can help you. Yeah. And this is one of them. Yeah, man. You don't need to take sleeping pill. Right, banana and cinnamon tea. Right here. Excellent. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. And I know you guys definitely going to love this tea. If you never make it before, I will encourage you to give it a try at home. Alright? Yeah, man. Marcus, Sonia, thank you so much. Vanessa, thank you so much. And thank you so much. Right, banana and cinnamon. Beautiful cup of tea, as you guys can see. Yeah. Thank you so much. Good job. Yes, thank you so much. Let's turn off the cooker. And let's allow that heat to penetrate through it. Alright, here it is. Very fantastic. Amazing. Look at that. So easy and simple. Alright. Break up that banana and get that benefit of the banana. So using ripe banana. Wow. Look at that. See? That is amazing. Fantastic. So I use ripe banana peel with the skin. Ripe banana and the skin to make it. Look at that. That is beautiful. And it is simple to make. Yeah. Excellent. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna take this off the heat. Good vibes. Okay. Let's pour it off.